Hello everyone. Hi, I'm Prerna Rajura. Welcome to Shri Nari. She is you. This is all about the live session, and today I am going to tell you about how you can attract more followers and business on your Facebook and Instagram accounts. I am Prerna Rajura, a social media strategist by profession, and I help women entrepreneurs to gain their digital presence with more followers, more business on social media. This is what I do. So welcome once again. I'm just waiting few people who can come live and then we can start today. Today I will be taking your queries. If you have any social media page like on Instagram, on Facebook, LinkedIn, you need any help from me, you can share your social media link with me. I can check them and will definitely would like to help you to know more. So yes, today we are live here. We all wanted to do an online business, and we all have Facebook and Instagram pages. We do post regularly, but we don't get good followers. We don't get good business from them. People do say, na, Facebook, Instagram say we get a lot of customers, we get a lot of queries, and people are doing business as well. That's why social media is so famous these days. So the only reason there are just small few points, if we take care of them, we can definitely have a good business from our social media accounts, that is from Facebook and Instagram, because maximum of the audience, maximum of the target audience for our business is available on Facebook and Instagram. And during lockdown, Instagram have increased 75% of the audience. So when Instagram is having all the audience than any other platform, then why not do a business there? Hi Vanita, hi, thank you for joining us. So I was just talking about how you can attract more followers on your Facebook and Instagram. So when we have a page on Facebook and Instagram, we do a posting. So we upload our product. For example, you have a page with a woman's ethnic wear, or you are selling a jewelry, or artificial or imitation jewelry, anything you're selling it on online, on Instagram or on Facebook. So whenever you're uploading anything on your Instagram account, do connect it with your Facebook account. First thing, Facebook and Instagram should be connected together. Try to connect your WhatsApp, business WhatsApp as well. That will definitely help you in interacting with your customers more better. So when you're doing Facebook and Instagram connect, after that, whatever you're uploading, just upload it on Instagram. They do get a feature, Facebook connect पे आप टिक कर सकते हैं, so that whatever you are updating on your Instagram, the same will be updated on your Facebook as well. So your Facebook and Insta account will be synced. Whatever you are updating, they should be updated on both way. Oh, that's great. Hi Rachna. Hi Rachna. Sorry, in between I just stopped to say hi to you all. So whenever you're updating anything on your Instagram, that same should be updated on your Facebook as well. So Instagram and Facebook will be connected because both are from the same company. And the same could be connected with your business WhatsApp as well. So when you are updating, do make sure that the images that you are going to update, that should be in a HD format, or that should be pretty clear about the product that you want to update. For example, you're updating a jewelry. If a person wants to zoom in, the picture should be clear. That should not be blur. So the post that we see for the first is the creative or the image that you are uploading. That image should be pretty clear. Second thing, you should write a small description about that product in the copy. In the copy section, you should write something about the product. When you're writing, make it brief, make it short and crisp. Don't write the whole story, because whenever we are getting any product details from our vendors, they give a very long description which customer don't want to see. So just write the name of the product, what's the type of the product, what's the material of the product, and that's it. After that, use the hashtag. Hashtags always helps you in getting your more engagement on your post. So trending hashtag should be there in all your posts. For Facebook and Instagram, the same hashtag works. If you want to know which hashtag you should use, then you should Google it. Trending hashtag for a particular, for example, trending hashtag for jewelry, trending hashtag for ethnic wear, trending hashtag for formal wear. You will get it from the Google. Just copy it. But keep in mind, Instagram have only 30 hashtags allowed. Same with the Facebook also. You can use only 30 hashtag either in Facebook or in Instagram. 30 hashtag will be there. So you made a good creative, good photograph. First thing that a customer see. Then you have done a good copywriting for your same product. And third thing is the hashtag. So these three things do good with your social media account. Then the fourth thing that you need to take care is to add a geotagging. You know the geotagging means? Geotagging is a location. Adding a location to your post helps you getting more engagement on your social media account. For example, you are in Delhi, so do tag Delhi in your location. If you're in Mumbai, do tag Mumbai. That main city or the trending city helps you a lot in gaining good engagement on your post. So hope I am good till now. Any more people who are joining us? Vanita and Rachna, if you have any query or if you want to know something, you can definitely drop a link of your page, or you can ask me your questions in the comment. Okay, so next is the geotagging. Once we are done with the post, copywriting and the hashtags, and then the geotagging, then we need to display our product with a page link with all other people. Like updating it only on your social media account is not enough to do. So you need to update the same on other channels also, like on the Facebook groups that you follow, on the story of your account. That helps you a lot to gain more and more customers and more people. So once your product or your post is most visible everywhere, then that will help you get more engagement and more audience on your page. This is a small tip about the social media. If you have any query, you can connect with me and you can definitely ask it live here right now. Can't see the lives. Okay. Next. So once you done with your Facebook and Instagram posting, and then you're updating it everywhere on your social media accounts, on the other Facebook groups, after that you can update the same thing in your story. Just make it like a Instagram story where you're just updating it, the new post, and make it so exciting that people would, who are visiting your story, would love to go and check your Instagram account and check your Facebook account. That okay, something new has been posted, the same you need to follow there, and you need to go and check what new has been posted. So if I say that if you're having 1,000 followers on your Instagram account or on your Facebook account, then only 10% people get the chance to check your post, and they get a chance to do an engagement on your post, because people are having and following so many pages, so many accounts these days, that their news feed is always full. So there should be some specific timings to post it, but yes, to get more engagement, you should always share your post on your Instagram and Facebook stories. Just go there and I'll just show you how you can do. It's so easy to upload it. So I'm sure this would be visible to you all, that going on your Instagram account, just open your post, and there is a arrow button. So once you're clicking on that arrow button, you will be sending it to other people. So you can send it on your story as well. So when you're posting it on your story, maximum people do know, but if you don't know, please go through it and just try it once. Send it to your story, and when you're sending it, just put a new post wala GIF on your story, and add some music, make it more happening, that something excited has been posted on your account, so that people go and check. So when I said that only if there are only 1,000 followers on your page, then only 10% will be checking, and the stories will be visible to the people who are not even following you. So to make that possible, what you need to do is on your Instagram story, you need to update a location and a hashtag, any trending hashtag. For jewelry, you can use hashtag jewelry because that's the most trending hashtag. For food, you can use hashtag food, that is again the trending hashtag, and people who will be following that hashtag on Instagram or on Facebook, they will definitely get chance to check your story. And once your story is visible to those people who are not even following you, they will try to go and check your page, and they will definitely go and follow you. So this is how you can get more engagement on your Instagram and Facebook account. That will be like a better way to reach more audience from social media. So if you guys have any question, you can ask me here, and then is I'll go on the next point. I'll just wait for a second to check out what exactly is there. Okay. So the next point, if there's no question, then I would like to move on the next point. The best way to create a beautiful post for your Facebook social media, like Facebook and Instagram account. What should be the best way? I said always use a clear picture so that people who are visiting your social media account, they should zoom in and they should check what exactly you posted. Because if the picture or the product is blur, then nobody will get to know what exactly you have posted, and the people will not go with your account, and they will say, okay, I can't see, then I should really move, because you have only 5 to 10 seconds to attract a customer. In that 5 to 10 seconds, if you have attracted your customer, that will be great. Otherwise your customer is gone, who could be your potential customer who can actually pay you well. But if you couldn't attract them, then it's gone, then it's completely gone. So the next point is always use something creative. So when you're posting on Instagram, if you have seen many of the people, many of the accounts, they're using a different and beautiful grids and beautiful layout for their pages. How you can do it? So there is a app on your Play Store, Google Play Store, or on Apple Store. You can find it easily, which is Instagram Panorama app. So Instagram Panorama app helps you making a grid of your images or of your post that you would like to upload it. So whenever we see Instagram post, and you see that it's divided into like 6, 3, 6, 9, 12, 21 in that portion, then you can also do the same with the help of Panorama app, which is available on Play Store. I'll just show you how you can how that will be looking, and how I'm just checking it. So for your reference, I'm showing you the Sabyasachi's account, although that's a very big brand, but actually Sabyasachi, you do this. If you can see this, so this is Sabyasachi's account, and can you see how they have made a grid here? If it's visible to you all, yeah, it's visible from here. See, they have made it like in a proper grid. So you can also make it this grid with the help of, see, this kind of a grid I'm talking about. So you can also make this grid with the help of Panorama app. So what you need to do, you need to take a proper bigger image, and then Panorama app will adjust it according to like 3, 6, 9, whichever, how many grids you want, it's all up to you. And how many space you want to update, it's all up to you. Just make your Instagram and Facebook account beautiful, so that people who are visiting your account, they should really like it and do attract towards your page, and they become your customers. And whenever you are getting any message, try to be prompt reply. If you don't get a reply, time to get reply on that, then there are tools on your Instagram, on your Facebook, and on your business WhatsApp. These 3 apps are really wonder for the people who are actually doing an online business. So do update and quick automatic reply there, that's available on the settings on the Instagram and on Facebook tools, where if you are not available at the moment, then your customer will definitely get an acknowledgement message, okay, hi, we have received your query, and your same query will be answered shortly, as we are not available right now. Or you can make customize this type of automatic message whenever, whatever kind of a message you want to make them display. That's all up to you. So this is how you can actually convert your customers and make them more. Because what all we need, just think yourself from a customer's point of view, that if you are a customer of a brand or of any Facebook or Instagram page, any startup, then what exactly do you expect from a startup owner or from a business owner, that how you want them to treat you? The same way you need to treat your customers. If you be friendly with your customers, that will be great, because customers always need a friendly owner or a friendly reply from the people whom they actually wanted to buy or treat. And they just need a honesty and a good quality things. If you can provide a good quality, you have a confidence on your products, then you will definitely get good customers. Till now, if you guys have any question, then please write that in the comments, and I would like to answer your queries. You can also share your Instagram or Facebook account if you have any. And if you want me to check your account, I can check that account live right now and can tell you where you are lacking in your account, and you can always rectify. There is always a scope of improvement everywhere. Hi Celeste. Sorry, I don't know the name, but the account is by Celeste Healings. Hi, hello. Hope you're liking the our live session where we are just discussing about how you can enhance the audience and the business on your social media accounts. So social media or the digital is a new normal. So that's why we are just having a small session on the same. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. If you really liked it, and hope that will be helpful for you and on your pages. If you really need to me to check your account, you can definitely update your social media link in this comments, and I can just go and check your account. So guys, Restall women entrepreneurs and Srinari is something which is actually giving a lot of uh, opportunities to all the women entrepreneurs. You should share your stories here about how you started with your business, how you actually came up to the stage that you're right now. Oh, thank you so much, Madhura. Thank you. So do share your stories with the Sri Nari. Sri Nari is something really connected to me, because I always hail women entrepreneurs, and Sri Nari is actually doing the same. And I am really thankful to them to give me an opportunity to connect to you all on this live session and can share my small information to you all. Okay, so Cluster Healings have it. What I understood is stories on Facebook and IG is more important. IG is actually IGTV. So Instagram have started a section by the IGTV. Instagram also have a section by the name of Reels, and Facebook have a section about the short stories. So, Reel, IGTV, short stories, they all are different. They all have the different audience. So, whenever you're updating anything on the IGTV, that becomes like a channel as you have it on YouTube. So, YouTube, you have a channel, you upload something that will be uploaded there. Same with the IGTV also. If you're uploading anything very frequently on IGTV, that will be shown to the people who are not your followers. To the followers as well, but also to the people who are not your followers. Oh, let me just check your account. Facebook stories are a bit different, huh? But your question was good. Everything is important when you're updating anything on your reel, on your IGTV, on your Facebook story, or on your Instagram story. All these are important. The more you show your product, the more that will be visible. So, Calista Healings, I am just checking out your page. It's a really good page. Okay. You're missing with the geotaggings and a good copy, and yes, the hashtags are also missing. So if you're using a good copywriting, your creativity is really good, positivity is a choice, these quotations are really good, but try to add some geotagging. Adding some location is geotagging. Use some trending hashtags and do write a beautiful copy so that people would love to read about more about it. So whatever you're posting, just write 2 lines about it add a hashtag, add the geotagging, and then upload it. Then you see the people would love to come to your page. The people who are not following you, they will also get to see your account, and they would like to come and follow you. Hi Sandeep, how are you? Thank you for joining here. Madhura, you asked me something. Can check this account. Is this account on? Is this account on Instagram, Madhura? And can you tell what I need to do? Okay, let me just check it. Wash Safe India. Okay, nice post, good copy, but you're not using the trending hashtags, Madhura. Madhura, you're using just the hashtags which you felt that came into your mind, but these are not enough actually. You have given a good copy, you have given a good description about the product. Do try to add geotagging, add some location which you feel is good for your area. Also add the trending hashtags here, so that will do wonder for your page. And try to add some good stories on Instagram. That will be great. All your posts are static posts. If you add some GIF or you just animated or some motion images on your Instagram post, that will look really good and people would really like to go and check. So what you should do, try to use Canva. There is an app called Canva. You can connect with me after this session if you really want to know more about Canva. Canva is a place which is free, available on Play Store and App Store, where you can make creative, very beautiful creatives that could be animated, Instagram stories, Facebook ads, whatever you want to make, that will be easily made and easily available with the good templates on Canva. Daily they update it. So how to do tagging? Actually, whenever you want to do geotagging, that's what I was talking about. Geotagging is adding the location. So whenever you're posting any post, any creative, when you're updating on your Facebook or Instagram account, there comes a location option, check-in option in the Facebook. And whenever you are doing it on Instagram, there is a small option like location comes in the, like, in the bottom of the copy. There is a location tagging and everything. So tag that location like Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, whatever location you wanted to add. Yeah, Madhura, I checked your account on Instagram. I'll check the Facebook as well. A copy means a caption, writing 2 lines about the creative that you're posting. Copy means that caption. So copy is a very technical word, I guess. Madhuri, you really have a very nice page. The products and images are very clean and easily visible. Just try to add some good trending hashtags that you can find them on Google. So just Google it, trending hashtag for sanitary products. I think that will be helpful for you as you are updating the health and beauty. So either you can write cosmetics or sanity. So that will be coming on trending hashtags for cosmetics or for sanity. So that will help you in your account, and add some location to your page. That will be really helpful for your account. Okay, I'll check your Instagram account as well. Oh wow, so pretty. And you're having good followers. Add some locations, and again, I would like to tell you, do add your Instagram stories and make a story highlight here. That will really help the people to see your past stories. So you can always make some sections about like uh, daily quotations, or you can write for the recipes or anything. I'm just giving you broad examples. If you're saying your Vastu tip, read this slowly about your chakras, then you can always make some stories about the same and update them in the story highlight by the name your Vastu tip, your healing tips, or anything like that. So that will be great and helpful. Really, really beautiful pages. Do add trending hashtags to all your social media accounts and social media posts that you are updating. That will be really great to get more audience and a more engagement. So as we are running short of time and the session was for 4 and 4:30, we have 5 minutes more to go. And if there is any other question, you can definitely ask me right now. I would love to answer the questions. Guys, you can always connect me on my page Prerna Rajora, PRERNARAJORA. It's available on Facebook, Instagram. You can always go and check my website also. It's prernarajora.com. I'm a social media strategist, as I've already said earlier. You can connect me if you need any help related to your digital presence. I do digital marketing services to the women entrepreneurs, help them to grow further with their digital presence, with their social media accounts, and I do help them to get more and more audience, more creative accounts, and yes, you can always go with a good business with this. I think that will be great. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Celeste Healings. Thank you so much. So yes, any other question if anybody is having, or it was great checking your accounts too, because you both have really good accounts. I will definitely go and follow them. Pretty. So now this is the time to go, and again I would like to say thank you to Sri Nari for giving me an opportunity to join you live here and share my views about how you can attract more followers and more business from your social media accounts. Connect with me for your any more queries. Even after the session, I'm always available over the WhatsApp or Instagram accounts and social media handles, because I am a social media strategist. So this is what I always do. I'm always available on social media. So this is the time to pack off right now. And thank you so much. Thank you everyone. Thanks for taking me live here.